Hello, welcome to this Snoofa snippet. My name is Oswald and I'm an account manager at Snoofa. In this short video, I'm going to show you what the top panel menu is and how to use it. So the first thing to show you is this little symbol up at the top, which looks like a building, and that allows us to switch departments. So at the moment it's set to default, but you can change between departments. So let's go ahead and change that. It's worth noting that not everyone within your Snoofa system will be able to view all of the departments. For example, if you're a watch specialist, you may not be able to view instruments. Okay, so the next symbol is this plus sign, and that is a quick create new icon. So for example, we can create a new client, assignment agreement, item, auction or valuation day very quickly. So let's go ahead, just click that. There we are, create a new client. Next up we have the little bell symbol, which shows us our notifications. So at the moment I have no notifications, but when you come in the morning you might have a list of notifications that need to be dealt with. Then we have our account. So I can go into my account here and do things like enable two-factor authentication, change my password. You can also sign out as well. The next icon is the help icon, so that takes us to the service desk. We click on that, and any issues that we have or information that we need to gain, you find these videos, for example, in the service desk. So, and you can see videos and articles there. Or just report an issue that you may have. Finally, on the right hand side we have the magnifying glass, and that's the search icon, which enables us to search for anything very quickly within the system. But there you have it, that's a quick summary of the top panel menu, just showing you how it works. Hope that was useful. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, do feel free to email us on support@snoofa.com. Thank you.